So today the topic is how to do mail merge. Children, all you know that mail merge we need two documents to merge. One is the main document and one is the data source. Main document is the content of the letter which you have to mail or you have to send to other people, and your data source is the address of the people whom you have to mail. So data source I have created it in OpenOffice Cal, if you can see, and the main content I have typed in writer. Now I'll show you how to merge these two documents so that you can mail it to everyone. First step we need to do, we need to connect their database with this writer. Means Cal we have to connect to the writer. So first step is go to File, New and select the database. File, New and Database. Here you have to select the Connect to Existing Database. Because it's a spreadsheet, so select the spreadsheet, click on Next and browse, navigate your database where it is stored. If you have stored it in the desktop, select it. If you have stored it in D drive, E drive, you have to select that. So my database is data 1. So here it is. Click on Next and then click on Finish. You have to save it once again. So give it a name like data 2 I'm giving it now. Save and finish. Now if you can see, my table is open, and if I click on this sheet you can see the content, right? Just let us close this and come back to our document now. Next thing you have to do is to connect it. It is done. Now we'll go to the view tab here. If you see view and you will click on the data source, you can press F4, the shortcut key. Now my data 2 is visible here on the left hand side top corner. If you can see here, data 2. Click on the plus icon. You can see queries and tables. You click on the plus icon of the tables and click on sheet 1. So as you can see, all the data is visible here. My table means my table. It has 3 columns: name, address 1 and city. Now what you have to do is you have to simply drag the mouse column name here. Only column name. Right? Only column name we want, and then city, like this. Mail merge is done. Now how you will know whether it is done or not? Just you can go to File and you can take Print. Yes. Okay. Now see this. If you notice this, Vaibhav Pachupalli Hyderabad 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the 4 documents are merged with that letter. See, the content is also visible. Clear? This is how your mail merge works. Means I didn't type, if you have noticed, I didn't type anything here. Automatically it merged my documents with the addresses which I have kept in the data source, means in spreadsheet.